Cloudera Fast Forward Labs' latest research report is learning with limited label data. So machine learning, and especially deep learning, is data hungry in the sense that the data need not only exist, but it has to exist in a certain format. To give you an example, let's say in medical domain, you have tons of images of cells, and each of those images are labeled as benign, pre-malignant, or malignant. Now, oftentimes in practice, machine learning opportunities do not come nicely packaged with label data. Many a times you have this huge stack of unlabeled data and a very smaller set of labeled data. So now one way to combat that would be to manually label all this unlabeled data, but that could be time consuming and expensive. Instead, what if machines could identify and ask labels for the ones that are most impactful? Perhaps machines could learn just as well from a smaller set of labeled data. That's the premise of active learning. Recent advancements have extended these approaches to deep learning as well. Our report discusses algorithmic approaches that drive this capability. The report is available to the subscribers of Cloudera Fast Forward Labs advising service. So if you're interested in working with us, please do get in touch. Thank you.